Hello and welcome to another Jeff and Jeff production. In this episode, we're going to be using a product called Splashproof. Splashproof is a sealer used for concrete, stone, pavers, and roof tiles. Product number SP-22W water-based nanotechnology coating. Splashproof comes in a 5-gallon container. This specific one cost me $240. Stores that sell this product usually have sample bottles to test out before buying a large quantity. Direction says no mixing required. It tells you to spray it on. Make sure the surfaces are clean and dry. Cure time 36 to 48 hours. Used on pavers, no vehicular traffic for about 24 to 36 hours. I've seen this product in Ace Hardware stores for a while now and got the opportunity to finally use it on a job, waterproofing stone cap, concrete, and pavers to help maintain the mold and the mildew growing on it. We'll be using a paintbrush roller and a sprayer. We'll be using a pressure cleaner to clean the surface of the stone. The job we are using this product on has stone cap, keystone, imitation keystone, concrete, and pavers. Here are some before and after video of Splashproof. Six months after we applied it to the stone caps. Does it work? So far, so good.